Need your total wireless account number? It's a 10 to 12-digit code, essential for payments, account updates, and resolving issues. There are three primary ways to find it: the Total Wireless mobile app, your bill paper or digital, and by dialing star 611. As of October 2025, all three methods are active and reliable. Let's break down each method. First, the mobile app. Download the Total Wireless app, available on iOS and Android, and log in. The account number is prominently displayed on the dashboard under Account Details. Second method, the bill. Check the top of your printed or digital bill PDF. Look for account number or customer ID. Digital bills often have a searchable text feature. Third method, dialing 611. Call 611 from your Total Wireless phone. Say account number or select options for account info. Be prepared to verify your identity with last four digits of SSN or zip code. Remember to never share your account number publicly and use official channels only. The app is the best method. In 2024, 70% of Total Wireless customers used the app for account management, reducing 611 calls by 25%. Future updates may integrate AI chatbots for instant retrieval.